big night out. The one ceremony all the A-listers make a beeline for, and the one coveted trophy that everyone wants to take home.
A night that honored the best of 2012 and also celebrated 100 years of Indian cinema. It's the 58th Idea Filmfare Awards 2012. I'm Shaheen.
I'm Janice Equera, and over the next half an hour, we're going to be getting you all the winners and all the red carpet action of this grand night. She's the black lady everyone's fighting over.
And if you are wondering who took her home, well, we're here to tell you just that.
So who took home the best actor trophy?
And the best director.
Or the best film?
And the best film. And the best supporting actor.
Okay, you know what?
Yeah.
Let's just kill the mystery. Go find out. Bidda Bagchi and the creator, and both of them have these lovely black ladies in their hands.
I just want to say this is Bidda Bagchi and Bob Bishash.
Correct. Namaskar.
Tell me, Vidya, 4 years in a row, my God. It's like now, next year, what are you going to do? The pressure just mounts every year,
The
right?
same question. Come on then.
I mean,
Answer.
how are you going to up this? 5th year, chalo.
I really don't know. I think
Kahani 2.
Kahani too. Inshallah. Oh, but I feel really, really blessed. I have nothing else to say. I'm just so overwhelmed today. That's it. Just thank you, 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 everyone.
You know, I met Sujoy on the red carpet and he said, I'm here to relax, I'm here to have a good time. Sujoy, you're taking home the black lady. Everyone was cheering when they announced your name. Did you expect it?
No, I wasn't actually. I had all these plans of stealing it from Anurag Basu. I planned it out how he'll get it and I'll run up to the stage, grab it from him. Lekin sab plan chopad ho gaya.
What are you feeling now that you actually...
Like how she's feeling. But this is the reason. This is the reason for Kahani. This is Kahani. So I'm very happy. Without her, there wouldn't be this.
Okay, so
Without
my
this
last...
white lady.
Without him,
yeah, without the
there
white
won't be
lady,
this.
there won't be a...
I'm going to end this picture perfect interview with both of you holding your black ladies and asking you very quickly, Kahani part 2 kab aa raha hai?
Parso.
I don't know, you really have an answer to that, but inshallah soon.
Soon. As soon as she writes the script for me.
Brilliant, you're changing roles. Congratulations, guys.
She wrote the first one. She might as well write the second one.
ये इसके काम भी आता है.
Thank you, guys. Congratulations. Not one, but 2 black ladies are going to be on his mantle tonight. Ayushmann, congratulations.
2 black ladies on my mantle. I've become completely mantled, seriously, because of that. So yeah, it's very overwhelming. I think this is the year of the debutants.
Overwhelming because it's heavy or overwhelming because you won?
Overwhelming, because, of course, because of the weight as well. But they have a lot of weight of credibility as well. So I think I'm very happy because of that. And this is the year of the debutants. In the history of Indian cinema, itne debutants हुए नहीं कभी. So that's why it's very special.
See, I think you knew you were going to take home 1 trophy for sure. Best debutant. Did you expect the other, best singer?
No. It was a big surprise. Big surprise. You know, everybody, they're professional singers. And, you know, I'm not a trained classical singer. And I was rooting for Sonu Nigam for Abhi Mujh Mein Kahin. And I'm a huge fan of that song. It's just that, you know, you guys voted this song as the best song of the year. And it became so popular. So I think that's why I got this award. So thanks to people for accepting me as a performer and as an actor, as a singer. You know, frankly speaking, all the people who are not from the industry, they have these conspiracy theories going on in their minds. And I was like, dude, I'm not from the industry, I won't get the award. You know, I won't get the award. You know, it happens all the time. But I think when I got the best singer, I was like, यार मुझे इसमें खुश कर दिया, शायद एक्टर नहीं मिलेगा, वो किसी और को दे देंगे. But dude, I got the debut actor as well, so it's a double whammy.
जाते जाते गाना तो गाइए हमारे लिए.
Okay.
Considering it's one of my favorite songs of 2010.
Thank you so much. पानी दा रंग वेख के अखियां चो हंजूर उड़दे माहियाना आया मेरा माहियाना आया माहियाना आया मेरा माहियाना आया रांझना ना आया मेरा माहियाना आया मेरा रांझना ना आया.
Thank you. Congratulations.
So much. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Look who just walked out with the black lady, Irfan Khan, aka Pan Singh Tovar. How does it feel?
Good, excellent. This was a special film for me, and the effort was recognized. It was awarded. That's fantastic. Great.
Irfan, 2012 was a milestone year for you, I would say. Just to recap a little bit, how did it all start? Like, you're holding a black lady in your hand. So, what do you have to say about it?
I think 2012 was significant in many ways for our industry, not just for me. The kind of films people appreciated, and they came to theatre to watch films, and that was great. And we can feel, we can smell, we can sense that now people want to go to theatre, they want to enjoy cinema in theatre.
You're holding this lovely black lady.
So
in
I
your
have with me the man of the show tonight, Siddharth Roy Kapoor. Burfi has won so many honors. How does it feel?
It feels excellent. This is a team that's really labored on this film. It was a labor of love for everyone. Our director Anurag Basu deserves all the credit. He put such a wonderful film together, and we're all reaping the benefits of his vision.
Also, Ranbir won the Best Actor award again for the film. So how does it feel? Do you feel like after all the hard work that he put in, this is like well-deserved celebration?
It really does, because this is a film that was shot across so many locations, across so many days of shoot. It was a very difficult film to make. Ranbir put his heart and soul into it. It was the only film that he was doing at that point of time, and he went through a lot to deliver the sort of performance that he did.
What is Team Burfi planning to do now? How are the celebrations going to turn out?
Well, we'll wait for the end of the whole award season, and then I think we'll have a big party.
That's a good reason to have a big party.
Absolutely.
I don't know what to say. I'm just so happy, thrilled, confused, excited, jumpy.
I can't explain how does it feel. I went blank in the stage. I wrote it down in a paper, whom to thank. I just went blank.
It's unbelievable. I mean, my face is like, really, is it me?
Third black lady. All praises to Bosco because he performed.
Feeling of tremendous gratitude towards the audience.
Frankly, I've been nominated for 10 times and winning the first award.
Black is hot. She is 58 years old. She is like an old wine, and she's in demand every year.
It's all worth it if you get this black lady all the time.
So happy, yeah. I'm so happy, really happy.
So where's the party tonight?
I don't know, somewhere I'll have a party.
The party is at Filmfare. The after party is right here.
Jia re, jia re, jia, jia re, jia re, jia, jia re, jia re, jia.
आला आला मत वाला बर्फी पाँव परा मोटा छाला बर्फी रातों का है ये उजाला बर्फी गुमसुम ये मचाए ये तो उत्पात
Kurrapat कर